This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, 802 Honda, all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. This is a strong thunderstorm cell looking south from the Burlington International Airport, and it had earlier had a little bit of rotation to it. And this is the same thunderstorm cell now as viewed from Orange County, moving in toward the Corinth-Thompson area. You can see this is a cumulonimbus mammatus. So real-time lightning, just kind of zooming in here, you can see that there is thunderstorms moving through between Brookfield and Northfield. There's a latest lightning strike right there. And there's more thunderstorms where that came from. This is that lead cell right here. So this is that lead cell right there, and this is, of course, being warned right now and is starting to get into Orange County as we speak. Another cell back here, and there's still more where that came from. And back to lightningmaps.org. You can hear the beep in the background. There's about a 2-second delay. Let's see if we can see where this pops. There we go. This is looks like just a little bit west of the Route 110. Watching it as it goes through Orange County. What this is the thunder shock wave with these two latest lightning strikes. We'll wait for a couple more. There's one right there. It sounds like it might have been distant. See where it lands. Try to back out here. There's one over toward Fayston now. And this is that track of that cell that's now moving into Orange County. So what else do we have going on here? You see a lot of lightning strikes in the Adirondacks, and then now looks like it's crossing into not quite Vermont, still a little bit to the west around the Glens Falls area. This is some pretty hot action here. You want to see what a stronger thunderstorm looks like. A lot of lightning strikes, very hot cell right there. So these folks around here are hearing near continuous thunder. Let's go back up, see what we got here local to Vermont. Where am I? There we go. All right. So you can see the difference in lightning pattern. This one is relatively weak as compared to the one that's down there by Glens Falls. It's really putting it out. Lightningmaps.org, there's some pretty amazing lightning going on right there. Look at how frequent that lightning is right there. That is serious lightning, folks. Several different strikes. So they're hearing pretty continuous thunder. And this is located west of the Albany area in the Mohawk Valley. As soon as this fills in. There we go. This is still a pretty hot cell here. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.